Hi, and welcome to this short Build Planner Cutter video tutorial. The Build Planner Cutter addresses the one-dimensional stock cutting problem, which involves optimizing the cutting of pieces, referred to as demand, from raw materials, known as the stock. I'll assume that you have some experience with Blender, including knowledge of how to install a third-party add-on. Download links to the add-on, as well as this Blender file, are provided in the description below. So, let's go to Blender. Once you have installed and enabled the add-on, you'll locate it in the sidebar of the 3D view. Here, you can configure the following: name prefix for the object you want to include, width of the cut, number of available stock and their lengths, output folder, if you want to view the result as a printable HTML document. The units utilized by the cutter are consistent with those defined in the scene unit settings. Now, it's time to initiate the cutting calculations. Simply press the Cut Wood button to proceed. Once the cutter has completed the cutting process, you can view the result in the Blender info panel. Alternatively, if you specified an output path, you can access the cutter result in your web browser by clicking the Open as HTML button. Thank you for joining me in this video tutorial. I hope you found it informative and that the Build Planner Cutter will prove to be a valuable tool for your projects. Please don't hesitate to leave comments below whether you found the Build Planner Cutter helpful, encountered any issues, or have suggestions for improvement. Until next time, happy building and designing. Thank you for watching.